Hello everyone, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And now, without wasting time, let's start our today's analysis. So, yesterday we were talking about how gold is still bullish and we were still watching for a buy entry for the target of 4680, and it is already done. And our target was a fib level of 786% of this full wave here, which is already hit 4696. So possibly we will see a retracement, but for that it need to change a smaller time frame in bearish direction. Okay, so for here, if we start a retracement, our daily time frame bullish confirmations will be from this area 4449. From here we can get a daily time frame bullish confirmation and most probably to this order block here. From here there will be another long-term buy opportunity till the target of 4800 and more, so we will probably wait for it. So this is daily time frame, it is still bullish and we have significantly hit a major target here, so maybe we will see a little bit pullback from this areas here. Price is already rejecting from here, so possibly a little bit pullback and then again up. Now let's see smaller time frame. This is 4 hour. In 4 hour time frame, the last bullish breakout structure is this one. And after that we have a complete wave and finally a engulfing candle forming here. That means this is our structural high. Closing one candle above it will change, again have a bullish structure break in 4 hour time frame. But right now we have only a sweep. That means price will sweep the most lowest point between this sweep and high, which is this low around 4625. It is already sweep here. So liquidity is taken from both of the side, and now if price want more liquidity and if start dropping from here after changing a 1 hour structure to bearish, then we will be first expecting it to this daily time frame FVG first. This is FVG, and then this structural areas. But first this FVG will be our primary. Now let's see 4 hour again. So do we have any confirmation at FVG? No, we don't have any much confirmation, only a single 4 hour FVG is here, this small zone. So if price want to pump from a 4 hour structure and hunt a liquidity, then our first priority will be this area. From here we can watch for a buy confirmation, and before this we have 1 hour structure. Here 1 hour is still bullish after this break, and most of the time we have seen that when 1 hour is bullish and 4 hour have just a sweep, price usually break 1 hour structure to bearish again and then turn back to bullish after hunting a liquidity. If you want to see a example here, then we have this one. This was a 1 hour breakout structure. For 4 hour there was only a sweep. See, after that we have change of character, a 2 candle closing below this low, again a drop in 1 hour time frame, and after changing direction here, it again following 4 hour structure. So this is what we can expect here if we break below this low around 4625. A little bit drop, and after hunting liquidity, again upside. But first of all, until this low get break, we are still bullish from here, and we are only looking for a buy entry here. Above this, we will only look for buy entry. If we get weakness inside or in smaller time frame, we will be watching for shorts then only. Okay. Now let's see 30 minute. 30 minutes, same structure, no change of character here, still bullish. And price is creating higher highs and again a high. If price break above this high, then it will be bullish. This is a final zone price need to break to be bullish. Because just look at the momentum here in 1 hour and 4 hour. There was a momentum break, candle closing below, and there is no break above this high. So the momentum is still bearish. We are just ranging in bearish candle here. If you look at this in 30-minute time frame, here there is also a liquidity. See? So for now, if we look at the smaller time frame here in 5 minute, 5 minute is quite bullish here. First break, second break, then change of character, one more bearish structure, and now it need 2 candle closing above this high, then we can expect a pump and at least break of this high 57, possible test of 66 to 70. So we need 2 candle closing above this high, then we will be looking for a buy entry. Possible targets are here. This will be just a scalp. Okay. And if we have 30-minute candle closing above, then it will be bullish completely. Then we can expect continuation above. Right now, according to structure, high possibility is that price just range here, and after ranging for a while, it create a breakout on the downside and test bottom areas for a liquidity. So we will look for that possibility. If you don't have a complete change of character on the bullish side here, this is a bearish region. From here, price can again drop. So that's why we are waiting here. So this is gold, and we are at an important level. If this holds, we will be expecting upside, but for that we need smaller time frame confirmation. We don't have confirmation, then we will wait for a more sweep. Now let's see silver. Silver already have a 5-wave completion here. Yesterday it hit its target structural level, then again start dropping. But now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5-wave anti-trend direction. That means silver is forming a bearish structure, and from this area it should reject. We have a rejection. Once a candle closed below this low, you can continue shorting it till this area around 66. Below this, it will be bearish till this zone or liquidity in 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is the liquidity, so you can target this low 65. This is a 4-hour retracement start. And for long term buy, you can wait for the area of 63 to 62. From here, you will be looking for a long term buy again. BTC, we have a breakout structure and still at weekly resistance. So wait for a complete change of character in 4-hour time frame. Then you can watch for a short entry. Otherwise, it is still bullish and you can expect more upside until this structure breaks. Oil have a change of character here. So watch for a retest and a drop. Liquidity will be target here. This one. DXY going for our retest. From this area, it will drop again. Okay guys, so this is our today's view on gold. We are looking for price to break out from this range, then we will be looking for a complete fresh entry here. Okay, so wait for a bullish breakout, then you can watch for entry. Otherwise price can drop more here. Now I'm coming for your chat. Let's see what you guys have. Hello brother. Bless USD 15 मिनट में देखिए. Bless USD. USD. क्रैकन पे ऐसे चार्ट नहीं. यस, कुछ नहीं है 15 मिनट में. क्या है, कंप्लीट रेंज तो है. 4 आवर में कहाँ से आ रहा है? यहाँ से बुलिश. फ्रॉम हियर again bullish, and this is bearish, 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 and bearish. And this is change of character. This is retest, pumping, break above this high, it will be bullish again till this supply, around 1319. Okay, let's see another questions. Do you think we are pending ABC correction in gold target 4400? Yes, here retracement is pending, and yesterday we already have talked about it, that this is not a complete uptrend right now. Look at this. This momentum shows exhaustion. Buyers are exhausted here. Now they are not able to push gold much higher and giving a little bit upside closing. See this? Look at this candle closings, and now look at this ones. They are also near to each other. See, and we have a big gap between it. Yeah, it is showing a strength. Price will retrace a little bit, then again go upside. But you have a small candles formation just like this, and market is going upside. That means it is weak here. Buyers are getting exhausted, and they give you a pullback, a stronger pullback. If you have strong uptrend, you will have a little bit pullback. But if you have a weak uptrend, you will have a strong pullback. So right now it is weak here. I agree, but we need a 1 hour confirmation for the short entry. We can short it only after the break of this low, then it will be bearish. For at least this low as target. First target can be 4603, then you can target 4578 and this 4 hour FVG. But you need breakdown. Okay, any other question? Any views on natural gas, which is good buying zone for medium term like 3 to 6 months, and what would be the target? Natural gas, XNG, USD. Okay, so you want long-term targets, but it is completely bearish right now from bigger time frame. Again bearish. Expect it to take out this low first. And we have a recent, this is monthly lows. So you can expect a little bit liquidity. Weekly, still bearish. Daily, this is the breakout structure, bearish side. This is again a bearish side. And this is your current resistance. Price is not losing above. From here, you should be looking for a short entry. First. Forever is showing you a bullish sign here, and it is trying to break above here. If you have a 4-hour breakout above this, then you can expect some bullish momentum till this lows around 3. But if price fail to break above this level and we have a breakdown below this low, then it will be bearish again. But high probability is upside because from bottom it is getting a bullish push. Here you have another internal breakout structure. Price is trying to hold this zone. This zone holds, it can go up. Prices are 2.871. Also in gold and silver, which levels would be best for buying and holding? Thanks in advance. For gold, daily time frame areas are best for buying right now. If you get gold somewhere near this zone, this green zone here, 4415 to 4328, it would be another buying opportunity for a long term period for at least 2 to 3 weeks here. But we need first test here. And if this zone breaks, then don't you ever expect gold to go up. It will be straight drop below 3700. If this zone breaks, it would be a straight drop to 3700. How this much important this area is. Silver, same area here for silver in daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. Both are same here. If you get it near 63.5 to 62.5, it would be a buying opportunity. This full zone is for buy. 65 to 62. For at least target of 71 to 80. Hi bro, 3500 still on the table, in which case 3500 will be invalidate. 3500 is invalidate in one case. If we break above this high and close a monthly candle above it, 45, 45, then it will be a complete reversal pattern. Momentum will continuously shifting towards bullish direction there. Then you can expect at least this highs test again near 52 to here 1.618 area here 5103 and possibly breakout too, but for that case we need to watch for these areas, and it will be decided about after the this yearly candle close. So we have to wait for that confirmation for long period. But forget about it. If you look at the bigger time frame, you will never get a good trade. Just look at 1 hour and 4 hour. What is it is offering right now? 1 hour is offering long from here. We are watching for long. If it breaks, we will offer a short entry here. Okay. Okay, so right now we are getting a little bit bullish push, and let's see. We have one candle closing above. If second closes, we will look for a little bit buy scalp till this high 53. We are looking for a 2 candle closing above this high. Then it will be a change of character. For this small trend, we can expect a little bit push. So buy areas will be first. Okay, it is very big zone. So we will use this zone. After 2 candle closing. If this candle closes below, it will be still a bearish. And internal, this is your break and this is your high. So in short, we need break and retest, then continuation. This again close below. Wait for at least 2 candle above. Otherwise, just a 1 candle above this high, 4642. Do we have breakout structure here? Yes. We did not have 5-minute 2 candle closing above. So price need to hold 1-minute structure. If this structure breaks, that means 5-minute was just a sweep and we can short it here. See how 1 minute structure hold bullish till we have a 5-minute breakout. See, this is how structures work. If that 5-minute low was broken, then price should have dropped to this level, but we have a hold of this area and continuation. Now look at this. No break above and direct drop. What is this? These two levels are very important. Look at this. Break below, it will be bearish. Break above, it will be completely bullish. Very sensitive area. Can you see how market is reacting at our levels? Okay guys, so tell me about your view today. Are you guys bullish or bearish? Yesterday we was bullish and price hit our target. Now today, until this low get break, we are still bullish. 50 pips in just 0.01 second. Yes, it is. When your levels are perfect, market will react like this. And this is why I'm so much concerned about this sweep here. This is 1 hour. Reaction was good, but still market is struggling here. Range. Yes, it can range here before NY open. Just give us one candle close above this, then we will be bullish. Later, as you said, it will drop first to 4605, then 457580, then push up. This is what I'm expecting. Yes, it is also, this is the highest possibility right now. More chances are a reversal, not a reversal but a big drop, because this is just a weakness. Weakness is clearly visible here in 4 hour, in 1 hour. See, look at the sell candles forming. First there was a little bit retracement, then again little increasing, and now this is the sell candles. Sellers are getting more stronger in every wave right now. See, this happens, then price starts a big retracement, then again continuation. Now see this small candle getting bigger, more bigger, then breakdown, retracement and continuation. This is how market get weak. Expecting sweep to 4560 and buy scalp to 4630 before the drop of 4400. So you are expecting sweep 4560 first, means this level, and then a scalp buy to this area again. So basically you are expecting this move. Yes, this is possible. If this is the high of the Elliott wave fifth wave, then price should drop to at least 60%, which is near 4542. 50 to 60 is enough. After that drop, you can expect price to retrace to 60% of that wave. So first there should be a drop, then again buy. Possible, highly possibility. It is making 15-minute bullish here. This is first buy zone on the candle closing. If it doesn't close below, it can go up from here and target 50 to 55 from here. Sir, can you please check silver and NAS 100? Okay, let's see. Silver will be going with gold right now. See this? Still bullish. 15-minute, it need to break above the zones to be bullish. Okay, here last bullish breakout structure, silver, and it need to hold this low. We don't have any 2 candle closing below, so it is still bullish from here. Five-minute, this is first bullish break, and this will be your second. So basically breaking above this, silver will be bullish, and you can expect it to pump back to the area of this liquidity, this equal high liquidities. $70. NAS 100. Okay, FXCM chart. Daily is bearish. Let me clear this all. The last bullish break, and price is holding this area. Once you have 2 candle closing below this low, you can start shorting, but before this it is still bullish. 4 hour, this high will be your confirmation for bullish breakout. If this breaks and have a retracement, you can watch it for a buy. If this doesn't break and price have a 2 candle closing below this low, it will be bearish. You can expect this low again, 27,000. Okay, so where we have gold. Testing candle did not close below, so you can expect price to pump back to this high. This will be our priority expectation. Now, until this low get break, gold is bullish. And if you are buying here, your stop loss should be very big stop loss. Wait for one more candle. This is, if you are buying here, stop loss will be below this one, 36. And if it is getting sweep, then wait for this one too, this sweep. So I will wait for this candle. Where is 1 minute? Okay, this demand area. From here, it can go again up. And our stop loss is below this one here. Once this 5-minute close, enter in long with the stop loss below. It should not close below 4640. You can risk a small lot here, but use very small lot. It is still dropping here. If this zone break, I will expect it to sweep this lows too and test somewhere near this areas. Let it come here, then we can expect, if it this candle again closes up back here. If you are already in short, make sure to have stop loss below this low. One minute is already closing below, so we have to look for 5-minute closing. If it is closing below, we exit here. But if it doesn't close below, hold your long position. नो साउंड, बोल ही नहीं रहा भाई। कॉपी ट्रेडिंग है सर आपकी? हाँ है भाई, पर एक एक महीने से मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा उसमें ट्रेडिंग की नहीं है, तो आप अपनी मर्ज़ी से जुड़ना है भाई। अभी उसमें उसमें बस थोड़ी थोड़ी ट्रेड लेता हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं। किस नाम से है सर? ट्रेडर मुरु, बस यही है। मार्केट यहीं से रिएक्शन तो दे रहा है, मार्केट इज गिविंग रिएक्शन हियर। लेट्स होप फॉर मोर अपसाइड until this zone break. It is bullish from here. If this is breaking, then we can expect it to sweep this low too. Structure is still bullish here. This is 15-minute structure, so that's why our stop loss was so big. See, I was thinking why 5 minute was giving that much big stop loss, but now you can see 5 and 15 minute both are at the same level. Here again testing candle is not closing below, so if you are entering here, stop loss will be the same. यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए, इसको ब्रेक करे तो। Simply, if you look at gold right now, it is ranging here. A bearish candle, a little bit range, and then ranging between this one. Low break, this high as range, this is also inside range. See, look at this structure. Hello, brother. Good to have you today again now. Can we still look for buy now, or we should wait for the zone below? Some members have already bought here on this 5-minute zone with a stop loss at this level, 4636. The best thing, if you get breakout and retest here again, then you can expect more upside. I can expect market to test 53 to 55 because it is still ranging here. Still bullish from here. Slow market. Still it facing resistance here. The major high we need to break is this one above this supply. To stay bullish, we need this breakout. The best entries I have already shared with you. Below this low, we will be looking for a retracement to this area's liquidity around 4600, then 4577, and then 4562 below this level. From here we will again watch for a 1 hour shift on bullish side, then we can look for a long entry just like this one. This is bullish shift. Here it is also a 1 hour bullish shift. But right now price is so much ranging, it need to break above or below, at least on one side, then we can look for that side entries. For 1 minute, this zone looks good. As I told you, this is the order block pending here with liquidity near it. If you get sweep and reclaim, then you can watch for buy. But right now, if you are holding from here, make sure to have stop loss. Remember, this is weak zones. So we have closed below or what? No. Price did not close below. On the break above this high, you can break even your trade. Then price should not test this area again. So as per our expectation, it is going bullish from this mitigation block. People who are holding with this stop loss, book your partial and set your stop loss at break even. Your second target will be high of 4653. Then just hold rest position. Five-minute will create a new buy opportunity above this high. No close above. Let's see. Just hold your trade with break even. Anyone got this move or not? This was our plan. we don't have much price action here. Let's wait for NY open. We might get one side breakout. If still it is bullish, still holding our zone. If we get a breakout, it would be very good. This is the final 5-minute structural area, which is resistance right now. A last bearish breakout structure. So above it, price will be bullish. Below it, we are still bearish. And why we are bullish from here? Because this is internal structure. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So until this low get break, it is bullish from here. If this break, price will likely to break this low too. Look at this, how 15-minute is closing. 30-minute, no. Close below. One hour also close below. Just a liquidity range continue. Break below this will be bearish here. We are already out on break even. Every time frame is in sweep. When two candle of 1 hour closes below 4625, you flip to bearish till 4400, right? When two candle of 1 hour closes below 4625, you can be bearish till target of 4604 and 4573 for this target. See? Our high expectation is still on downside because of this weakness. You can clearly see this. For upside momentum, it needs so much painful movement here. Look at this. A painful movement. And just a one candle wiping out all the buy. This is how market is going. It is weak right now. Let's see 5 minute. See, after sweep, no candle close above, there is no buy opportunity as we said. If it is sweep, you should break even your trade. Please repeat where you say the 4-hour candle need to close to be bearish to what levels? 4-hour candle, not 4-hour, brother. We need 1 hour 2 candle. 1 hour 2 candle close below 4625. Then it will be bearish. To at least first this area and then fib level from bottom here. Point 618 to 786. This range. This will be scalp levels. You will get this zone tests, and then again a little bit push, then again possible a drop. Is there currently no trade zone? Yes, this is no trade zone. This is range. We can get trade if we get a break below this low or a breakout above this green zone. High probability is still a drop. See here, lower low, lower high, again lower low, lower high. Before NY opening, it is making lower lows and lower high in smaller time frame. Let's see if it is holding our 1 minute time frame area. Just very low probability. And if you want good entry, at least wait for 1 hour structure. Price continuously ranging on this low. So expect a little bit liquidity hunting or more drop if this high doesn't get break. I'm just making a bigger time frame structure, nothing more. Price is still holding these levels, rejecting from here, just a range. If you take this full zone, it will be complete here. Wait for break. See, just a liquidity, still in this range. But still bullish in smaller time frame, 5 minute. There is no close below, just a liquidity hunt as we expected. Now we need to break above this high to be bullish, but it is already bearish, 5 waves. In range, this kind of projection you will see. It will suddenly change to bullish, it will suddenly change to bearish. At range top, it will be bearish. At range bottom, it will be bullish. So let's focus on bigger time frame. This one, 1 hour. Break above, retest. We will watch for buy. Okay, let's see how you guys are analyzing gold right now. Cast your vote on this poll. NY session. So this is still bearish. No flip, and sell candles are getting stronger. Current resistance, and this is support. Below this, price will be bearish. We will expect targets. Let me just update in Telegram. First will be this 4601, and then this daily time frame FVG. This target, and then this one. Breaking below this low. Okay, so this is our plan. If we get breakdown, we will be shorting here. So where is our pole? Bullish. Yes, it is still bullish above this low. See, it tested our zone, 1 minute zone. This one. And from here it is pumping. Let's wait for proper breakout of this high in 1 hour. It is already showing some bullishness, but be safe. 5 minute, just a sweep. No two candle closing below. And this high. This is breakout. Until we have breakout on one side, you will get confusing structure because it is just range here. See, this zone work is already done. Now, if this time, if it tests it, it will break. So its work is already done. It was just unmitigated area. Now it is mitigated. So this work is done. Wait for proper 1 hour breakout. Still ranging here, guys. There is no structure. One minute going bullish. 5 minute, just a sweep. Should 1 hour close above 4645 to be bullish? 1 hour should close above this high. We need 1 hour breakout here, 4653. Then on the retest, you can watch for buy. And this will be your buy zone from this full zone here. This full zone will be your buy zone. Break, retest, buy, and this will be your target. Okay. $15 still bullish, 5 minutes still ranging. Expect continuation until exchange. This is the only thing we can do. Expect a continuation until it's change, and this is a continuation. From 1 minute time frame, from here it was bullish. Again it is going upside. Again breakout. No, it will not work. It will not. It will sweep this low. Okay, so see, again in range, reject him from high, back to the board. Yeah, breaking below will give us a short entry. Before this, maybe no, but still we are bearish below the zone as we discussed in early time. Fast drop on 1 hour close. It is a last hour for this 4 hour closing, and this is also opening for our NY. So that's why we can expect a downside momentum as we discussed early in this session, and I have shown all reason why we are expecting a retracement. We have tested a fib target. Again, selling momentum is increasing. Price is failing to break this resistance after testing 1 hour structural area. So if we break below, we can expect a drop at least to this levels. Redamuru, what is the explanation for why price need to reach on 1 hour time frame and 4 hour close? Just a simple thing, because 4 hour is bearish in momentum here. If 4 hour is closing below, means bearish momentum is continuing, and if it is continuing, this is the start of 4 hour retracement here. So until we have a close above this high, 4 hour is now in retracement. And whenever 4 hour gives a sweep, 1 hour most of the time changes its direction for some time to bearish and then start again uptrend. But before that, there is a retracement. That's why we are expecting a retracement. Even after this sweeping this low, price is not able to break above that high in 1 hour time frame. If it want to go bullish, at least it need to create a bullish structure, a higher high and higher low. Here it is creating a high, low. If it creates a higher high and then higher low, then you can watch for buy. Otherwise, it is still bearish. Even 5 minute is making lower lows and lower highs only. There is no new high. And this is break below and drop. Let's see. This is here. If price break below this, there will be the equal drop which is happened before this full range. So price will drop to one-on-one reaction of this high from this one to this low to this one. Same target, 4574, one-on-one near this daily time frame FVG. So where are all the bullish people? Now they are turned to bearish or not? Just wait for this low break, then you will see a drop to this high again, 4602. Now look at this. I want to show you this one. A 30-minute breakout structure. Price tested structural low here, but failed to break above a resistance. So it started ranging there. Then what it did? A liquidity hunt, and then again pump. So this is the same structure, same resistance. And drop was first this drop and this target, nearly one-on-one. If I hide all the structural levels and just keep level 1, look at this, 1 drop, 1, it is here. If we take this high, then maybe we will get a final target. Perfect. See, but we need breakdown for this kind of move. And see how structure tricks you at that level. It will close one candle below, then again second candle close above, still bullish. So we need two candle closing below here to target this low, 5363. Otherwise price will test here, close second candle above, and again bullish. Are we waiting for 1 hour confirmation to have a breakout? Yes, we are waiting for 1 hour confirmation. We need two 1 hour candle closing below this low green level 4625 to be completely bearish till daily FVG. If it is closing only one candle here, test 4602 and again close back above this low, then it will be bullish from here. But right now it is ranging here. Major structure is still bullish. If you don't want to avoid shorts, then wait for daily time frame areas or 4 hour areas for the buy opportunity. say this. Okay guys, so we have breakout. Silver in 15 minutes is completely bearish right now. We have a new breakout, so this is your short zone now in silver. And gold price is breaking below, so possible retest will be a short opportunity. It will be here. If we take this one, then retest is already done. From here it is bearish according to this pattern. If you want bigger confirmation, then 1 hour candle is not closed, so manage risk. I will wait for 1 hour closing. Both are having the same 1 hour structural areas. The last 4-hour candle close was bearish, and below the previous 4-hour bearish candle close, did it signify the bearish continuation? It is mostly bearish right now. We just need closing below 4630 if it want to continue momentum. Okay. Let's wait for 1 hour. 1 hour closing will be important because this is 1 hour structural area. See, it is getting back upside. Smaller time frame will show you a breakout here. If you want to go short, then you have to watch for this area, 32. Where is volume? 35. So hope you guys understand why we were not completely bullish here. Even after 1 hour, structure is still bullish. Structure have completed its buying wave after hitting these targets. So we can expect some retracement at least till this daily time frame FVG, and that's how we are waiting here. We still don't have any buying confirmation here, so better wait for bottom areas. See 1 hour. Price is already dropping. Let's wait for these areas. And 1 hour closing will be important. Two candle close below this low is bearish. But if it tests here, close back above, then we will go with bullish direction. But right now, we will wait. Okay, bearish. So hope you guys understand why we were waiting till our target 4574. Yes, I could see a bullish reaction from the low was fading, but I prefer to wait for buy from lower areas now. Loving your analysis as always, learning so much. Thank you. You're welcome, brother. And this is a big supply now. If we have a two candle close below, this will be the big supply now. It will retest here and again drop. $15 and $30 already turned bearish, breaking below this pattern. 1 hour still waiting. So we cannot trust 30 minute as it was a fake out here. Same structure was here. 30-minute change of character, then back bullish. From where can we take sell entry now? If you want to take a sell entry, wait for two candle closing below here, below 4625. Then on the retest, you can watch for sell entry. Retest 1 hour candle should not close above 4642. Then you can enter here with a stop loss just above this high. And your target will be this areas 4574, 4600. And possibly if we are fortunate enough, then 1.618 area of FIB, which is somewhere near 4525, this high. So it will be a good RR trade. If we get confirmation, then we will look for this move. And simple thing, the zone which was holding a buy position, now it will hold a sell position. This zone was holding the full buy strength. Now this zone will hold a full sell strength. Simple thing. Yesterday we have so many wicks in this zone, but still it preferred to go buy. Today it was weak, and then we have a breakout. So if we are closing two candle here, simply retest and drop. This is what we expect. We are still in the same zone, guys. 23 minutes to close this candle, and then second candle will close. So possible, say this, retest. Already told you that 30 minute and 15 minute already bearish. 15 minute just breakdown, retest here and drop again. 30 minute breakdown, retest, it can drop. These are high risk levels. Range here for bit, close to candle of 1 hour, test this area and start dropping again. This is what we can expect. Sir, what level silver can go down today or tomorrow? We already have talked about that silver should test this areas, daily time frame areas here. From 65 to 62. Possible sweep of this low, 65, 600. 4 hour time frame, same areas. And if you get price somewhere near this zone, it would be much better. 63 to 62. 63, 500, 62, 500. This low was broken with a 4 hour candle and closed below. The same thing is happening here. 4 hour will close in 20 minutes. So let's see how we get. Yeah. The last candle was this one, which was pump back. Do you think price action is becoming increasingly difficult to interrupt analysis these days with price being moved by algos? Price is going according to structure. We are just getting late in identifying it. And when it is moving without confirmations. We need to pay very good attention to the smaller time frame too. Here, see, missed by how many pips? Now look at this. Missed by how many pips? 50 and 49. This is just 8 pips. missed by just 8 pips and this much more. Look at this high, missed by how many pips? Missed by 25 pips. And this is the reaction. So you need to be very much attention to smaller time frame. Then you can interpret structure. That's why we are watching 1 hour structure here and not relying on smaller time frame, because smaller time frame was already bullish here. As I told you, 5 minute was bullish, still we were not watching for buy. Why? After our break even hit here, I know that price have shifted its structure, and I told you below this price is bearish. You can rewind the stream. I told you that below this price is reverse bearish, and you can see the structure there. So we have to pay attention to this levels. Do you think few good traders like yourself will continue to be profitable even though algos are getting better at liquidity grab and fake outs? To be honest, I get more SL out here. My stop losses are getting sweep and most of the time because I take it on the liquidity levels. From here I was on buy. I took some partial here, then it took my break even. Here I was on buy, it took my break even here. So price is getting more and more liquidity hunting. So it will get back to normal. Don't worry. And this is how structure and price works. We have to be adapt to it. If you want to be profitable, you have to adapt what is currently running in the market. If you are lagging behind, market will not leave you. It will just liquidate your full asset. We need 2 candle closing below this low. Otherwise, we are not shorting here. It is still bullish. Just like this liquidity grab, which was here. 1 candle close below, second close above, again continue. So the possibility is also here. We need 2 candle close. But there is a high possibility of retracement because of our daily time frame target hit. And we are expecting some retracement. This was the reason. And you can clearly see retracement is already going on. Market will never be same for a complete span of time. And this time it was a less momentum a less liquidity hunting, price was running good. In this momentum, there was a high buy side momentum and a low sell side liquidity. See this? And momentum was very high. One single day was more than 4,000 pip. See this? This is monthly candle, sorry. 4,000 pips in a month. Now look at these candles. Here it was very rare. Now again, price is getting back to its structure. We have to be adapt to it. When price of any asset increasing, the volatility will be increasing too. But in percentage wise, it will be almost same. I'm expecting a sweep of 4603. Yes, it can. So it's not a trend or AI. Algo involving better to hide direction or stop retail profiting. No, it is not right thing. This is how market works. It doesn't need any algo. Look at this. Okay, I'm showing you a bigger time frame. Look at this. Okay. Previously, drop was 84%. Here, drop is 77%, nearly equals. But if you look at the price, it dropped 60,000 here and it dropped $53,000 here. See? And now, if you measure this drop, it is just 50%, but still it is $68,000. So we say that more volatility is increasing in day, but in terms of percentage, it is as equal of the previous volatility. Okay, so gold is already dropping. 1 hour is dropping massively. See? Price is getting tested our first zone. If we get second candle close above, we will be looking for buy again. If we don't get it, we will watch for more short. And possible targets 4574 and 4525. And this area is very much important because it is having a weekly POC near it. Weekly POC. This one 4527. 30-minute retest and drop. Still our zone is not hit. It can drop more. So we have news in 8 minutes. Consumer confidence. Maybe we will have a sweep. It's looking like bearish for news. Possible expectation, sweep, and if it goes for closing back above, we will be back bullish. News in 5 minutes. Let's see in which side we get a closing. News in 3 minutes. So the people who were talking about the bearish move, they were right. We will end this poll here. %52 people were bearish. To be honest, it is still bullish. Until we have two candle close below, it is still bullish. News in 1 minute. What we have in news, let me see. One candle close below, second should be close below 2. News is bearish for USD, so it can be bullish for gold. Be safe. We will wait for second candle to close below 2. If you want instant scalp entry, then you can enter on retest with stop loss above, then a drop. Can 4600 and 4603 area test possible, sir? What about 4575 to 80 area? today or tomorrow. If we have two candle close below the area of 4625, we can expect this target 4574. But if we get a second candle close back above after testing this area 4602 to 4594, then we will be expecting pump from here itself. Okay, so is it clear? If we have two candle close below, we will simply watch for this move. If we have again reclaim of this structural level in this 1 hour candle, we will expect retracement and then pump again. But for that, it need to reclaim this level in 1 hour. You know our structural areas. Just look at the structure right now. Forget about everything. Just look at the structure right now. We have a break of structure, and this is our change of character level. If for change of character, we need two candle closing below. If we get a two candle closing below, that means 1 hour is bearish now. If 1 hour is bearish, it need a 4 hour area to be bullish again. Where is 4 hour area? So first of all, 4 hour area is this FVG. Second thing, this is the structural area. 4 hour structural area, which is far away below from this one here, current price. And another thing, this is the retracement from where we have a 4 hour structure. And this is the start of retracement, the engulfing candle. Before that, we don't have any retracement criteria complete here. And here you can clearly see this momentum is continuously getting bearish. We have a low break, again a low break and close below. So possible this candle can little bit go upside and again drop. For that, we need 1 hour confirmation. If 1 hour is not giving you confirmation of drop, that means it will do something like this. A sweep, again second candle close above. And if this happens, you can clearly see what can be the next price action. And this is also a same price action, not even a single pip movement different from here. Price drop to 1 hour structural area, range there, drop below. There was a price of bullish target here. From here, it can go bullish again. Price tested it, missed by some pip, again going upside. Same thing, we have a range. If price break back above this low, it will be bullish. It missed over this area again. See this? Just by some pips. Now again going upside. So this is how market is working right now. For better confirmation, you should wait for the second candle to close below. If it is closing above, better we will go for a buy. Say price is pumping right now. The bearish zone currently market is having right now 45 to 53 in 15-minute time frame. In 15-minute time frame, you have this level. Price is pumping from 0.236 level. Yes, it is also a bullish sign, but we have to wait for 1 hour closing because 1 hour is already closed below. One candle is already closed below. Second candle close above, then it will be bullish again. If it is closing above, you can simply risk a buy. With a recent low as a stop loss and continuation. Target can be 1.61 area of fib from this top to this bottom and 1.618 area of fib. This one. Okay. You will get this kind of position here. If we put 1.618 area here, according to fib, our target will be here. 4753. This, if we get a reclaim. High probability is this one. 30-minute. Test of this area, little bit pullback, again go upside. 15-minute. Even after change of character, it is not retracing for a retest. See? So we have to take a risk on closing. And if you put fib from bottom to top here, you will be surprised after watching retracement. Let me show you 4-hour retracement. So this is 4-hour low. See, 23%. And if we talk about this, %23 already done here. Going back for reclaim, let's see. Closing will be important. Could this be a retest now and then down? Yes, in smaller time frame it will be a retest here. This is current supply from where we already have a one dip, and this is 5-minute structure. I will wait for 1 hour closing. After that, I will look for short. Okay guys, so I'm back. We are already 4 hours of this live stream, so I would like to end this session over here because I'm getting call for dinner. Okay, so wait for this closing. If 1 hour closes below this low, you can expect a more deeper retracement. If it closes above, I will post on free channel for a buy confirmation. Okay, it will be a buy confirmation if it closes above. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this session, how we talk about this all movement today and why we were bearish here. So that's it guys, see you in the next video.